In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Keyword Overview in Semrush. This quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to find the tool, how to run a search, and how to tailor it to the market you care about so you can get meaningful insights right away. Start on your main dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on SEO. That opens a list of tools organized by what you want to do. Under the Keyword Research section, choose Keyword Overview. This takes you to a clean, focused page with a prominent search bar at the top. Think of this page as your starting point for understanding how people search and how competitive a topic might be. In the search bar, type a keyword you want to explore, like loans or movies. Keep it simple and specific to what you plan to analyze. Right next to the search field, you'll notice an option to select a specific country. Pick the country that matches your target audience so the data reflects the market you actually care about. If you need to be even more precise, you can add a location, which is helpful if you're focusing on a city, region, or a particular local area. If you want to check multiple ideas in one go, you can add more keywords to your search by typing a comma after each word or phrase. For example, loans, personal loans, movie streaming. Separating them with commas lets you compare several terms in a single run and quickly spot which ones look more promising. Once your keywords and location are set, hit Search. After you click Search, Semrush compiles the data and presents an overview for each keyword. You'll typically see high-level metrics like search volume, how competitive the term might be, related trends, and what interest looks like in the region you selected. Use this snapshot to gauge whether a keyword is broad or niche, seasonal or steady, and potentially worth exploring further. If the results don't match the audience you're targeting, adjust the country or add a more specific location, then run the search again for a better fit. That's all there is to it. From the main dashboard, you clicked SEO, opened Keyword Overview, entered your keywords, chose your country and location, and ran the search. With just those steps, you're set up to quickly understand the landscape around your topics and make smarter choices about where to focus your efforts. Try a few variations, keep your audience in mind when selecting the country or location, and use the overview as a fast, reliable starting point for your research.